Hey there, this is Vanessa, a student at Flatiron School Software Engineering Program. So today I'm going to present you a demo for my fourth project, the JavaScript project. So for this project, we were to build an application that uses Rails API as a backend and JavaScript for our front end. So for this project, I built a kind of questions and answers engine for web developers. So once we fire up our server, this is the first page that is being rendered, the list of all questions in the database. So as you can see here, we only have two questions here. So the app only has two models, questions and answers, with these different features. So the registration for users has not been implemented yet. Those are features to come. So we have the options to either post the questions, reply to a question, or delete a question, delete an answer, or edit an answer. So let's get started. So let's say we can try to view a single question here. If I click on view, right here, the single question we requested is rendered. We can see the question, the number of answers appeared here, which is one answer as of now, and is displayed at the bottom. So we can try to edit this answer. See, if we save, we have the alert to let us know that it has been successfully saved, and the message is immediately displayed here. Oh, I can try to reply to this question. If I try to post, I get an error because we need to enter the author name, which is my name, and type an answer in order to post the question, to post an answer. So let's do that. Testing, test. If we change our mind, we can also cancel it and nothing will happen. Or we can actually post our answer here, and then post answer. Our answer has been successfully posted, and we can see our answer appear here at the very top. So it will be the first answer because everything is displayed in a chronological order by the most recent one. So if you want to go back to the list of questions, we can just hit home. We see here now our question has two answers. So we can also post a new question. Same thing here. If we post an empty blank, we get a couple of errors. So following those errors, we have the title cannot be blank, so we should enter the title. Let's try testing, and it should be more than 4 characters. The body cannot be blank, so and also we need an author. Okay, have an author code. We need a topic. Let's choose Rails, like how to implement active code validation, and let's try to post it. Alright, so question has been successfully created. Okay, if we do that, we have our brand new question right here. So once we do that, we can also try to delete our question. So if I delete this, Would you like to delete the question? If I cancel, nothing happened, or I can actually try to delete. Would you like to delete your questions? Okay, and question has been successfully deleted. See, and this will disappear. So now we are back to 3 questions in our database. So another option also that we can do, just in case we have a lot of questions, so we can query the questions by topic. So I can decide to query all Rails questions, and then we'll have only this one. I can query all CSS questions, we'll have this one, or JavaScript, we have this one, or all HTML. Oops, so there's no question with the selected topic, so we get an alert in case there's none of these. Or we can always render. To render everything, we can just hit the home page and everything will be back to the first page. So that's it for my demo. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.